I'm here in San Marino, and this is one of the world's smallest countries. Remarkably, it is the oldest surviving republic in the world. And, according to tradition, it was founded in the year 301 CE by Marinus, a stoneman who fled religious persecution from the Emperor Diocletian. And he sought refuge here on Mount Titano, and what began as a remote Christian community gradually evolved into an independent state. Now, throughout the Middle Ages, San Marino survived by diplomacy rather than force, maintaining autonomy while powerful neighbors rose and fell all around it. Its independence was formally recognized by the Papal States in the 17th century. Now, during the Italian unification during the 19th century, San Marino again chose neutrality. They offered refuge to political exiles, yet still preserving its sovereignty. And remarkably, the Republic endured both world wars without losing its independence. San Marino is remarkable, and it remains a living medieval state, and it's governed by institutions that are centuries old, standing proof that survival in history sometimes comes not through conquest, not through strength, not through power, but through restraint, adaptability, and diplomacy.